Hi, it's Angeline. It's time for some Christmas cards. So today I'm going to show you how I created this snowman winter scene on my card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this snowman from the Snow Cute kit by Unity and Lisa Glantz. I've also stamped and fussy cut the snowflakes also from the kit. And before I do anything, I want to use this Tim Holtz stencil to create a snow background using some distress oxide ink in broken china. And once that's done, I'm going to adhere the snowman and just cut off the excess of the edges and also add on the snowflakes, which I've already fussy cut, and also the sentiment. Next, I'm grabbing the Newell Glimmer Paste in Moonstone and my palette knife to just put on the paste at the bottom of my card to create some glittery snow. Then I'm grabbing the Aurora Borealis sequin mix from Unity Stamp and adhering it directly to the glimmer paste while it is still wet so that you don't require any additional adhesive. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this snowman winter scene that I've created, and I hope you try it out. Thanks for watching. Bye!